Hey there, everybody. My name is Alex, and I'm with Off Leash Canine in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And my new friend right here is sweet Mila. Hi, babies. Hi, Mila. Oh, Mila. Oh, Mila, it's so good to see you. Oh, it's so good to see you. Mila is an 11-month-old Bernedoodle, and she is here for our 2-week board and train program. Yes, we are. Dad wants to work on a few habits. We like to jump on people to say hello. We also like to pull on the leash when we're on walks, and we just want to work on our general recall and obedience. Let's take a second, see what our girl knows, and we'll get started from there. All right. Mila, come. Hey, Mila. Mila, come. Mila, come. Oh, hi. Mila, can you sit? Oh, good sit. Down. Mila, down. Down. Mila, can you heel? Heel. Heel. Mila, can you heel? Alright, so there wasn't very much recognition on come. We immediately heard another dog and started reacting, so we'll also need to work on our reactivity a bit. I want you guys to stick around, check out Mila's 2-week transformation. I know my girl's gonna do great. Come say hi to everybody, Mila. Come say hi. Oh. tell me a little bit about your experience with Off Leash.
So drop off was easy. Minus driving from Chicago in the snow. Her main problem was barking and just distractions in general. Definitely helped with that. The everyday report cards with all the nice pictures and videos of progress were pretty cool. Yeah.
Would you recommend Off Leash?
Yeah, for sure.
Mila, you're a graduate, girl. I'm proud of you. Good job, baby. You're a graduate.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're gonna make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're gonna get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.